Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm trying aquarium nails. I've tried them before, but I didn't record it. Well, I did record it, but I gave up on them. I didn't finish them. Like, I didn't even finish the nail. So like, yeah. But I saw one of my favorite nail techs do aquarium nails recently, so I decided to try it. And I want to show y'all first how I prep my nail for this. So I'm always usually wearing a peel off base coat, so that's pretty much what I started off with today, is a thin layer of peel off base coat. And then what I do is add another thin layer, and this is kind of unnecessary. You can just use one layer, but I like to do two in case my nails don't pop off, and usually doing two helps. So I just adhere the tip on with the second coat of peel off base coat, and then that's it. So the next step I do is I put base coat, or you can use anything, but I use Madam Glam's base coat to adhere a C-curve tip onto this regular square tip. And the reason why I use C-curve is to have some space in between, so I could put like glitter inside. I feel like this was a lot of space, but at the same time I still had trouble with it moving, and it didn't end up moving on my thumb and my pinky and my index finger. And I'm not entirely sure what I did wrong, but I'm just gonna go over like a few reasons like during the process of what I might think I did wrong. But I'm not sure for real, because this is like basically my first time trying it, because the very first time I didn't even like, I don't know, it wasn't like a real attempt. But I'm just using solid gel glue that I got from Temu to block off the gap at the bottom, like at the free edge, because I'm gonna put all the stuff inside at like the top of the tip. I don't know if it's the top or the bottom, whatever, I don't know. But anyway, I'm using like these fine glitters from Arteza, and that's like an artist company. It's not really a nail company, but I got these fine glitters years ago, so I used them. And I wanted to do strawberry lemonade. That's what I wanted to do. What I ended up doing was I don't know what happened, because like I said, I don't really know what I did wrong for real. But like, these are aquarium nails, and I really wanted them to shine and pop, so I added these stars, and yeah, as you can see, I just put a bunch of stuff in there. So I think this is my first mistake. I think I put too much glitter, too much stuff, and so it couldn't move around at all. I also think that the oil that I use is too thick as well, so I don't know. It's just cuticle oil, it's not baby oil or anything. I don't know what other type of oil to use, because I don't have any baby oil. I might have to get some baby oil, I don't know, because I definitely will be trying these again, because I want them to work out and I want them to look good. These were okay. Like, these were okay for my first try. Also, I filled up the nail too much, especially like on the nails that didn't move. I feel like they were filled up too much maybe, and like, I don't know, I think I did wrong things on different nails. But anyway, I'm blocking off the other gap with just regular Rosalind clear acrylic, not gel or anything. And I ended up using clear acrylic for the rest of everything, like even for the free edge. But anyway, I'm moving on to the ombre part. I didn't know what else to do. I could have done French tips. I could have, but that would have been extra effort, honestly. And already trying to attempt aquarium nails and then like doing an acrylic French tip, it's just added effort that seems unnecessary to me. So I just went ahead and then ombre. But maybe next time if my aquarium like actually moves, then I'll do like a French tip or something. Like I don't know. I don't know. I wish these came out better. But at the same time, I'm not upset about it because I am learning. But the aquarium nail was not moving. So like I don't know, I just kept trying. Like I don't know, I was thinking of ways to make it work. So like dangerously, I will admit dangerously, I opened the thing back up and I tried to add more oil to see if that would work, but that didn't do anything, like at all. And honestly, I think there was too much in this nail. There was just too much oil, too much glitter. I tried to hold it upside down. I tried tapping it very hard. That didn't do anything. So I gave up and I closed it back up with acrylic. And then I moved on. So after that failed attempt, I tried to learn from the thumb. And we're gonna disregard the index finger because I didn't do a good job on that one either. So we're gonna ignore that one and we're gonna focus on the middle nail. So for this one, I started with oil first and then I put a bunch of glitter in there, but still not as much as I put in the thumb. And I didn't put enough glitter in the index finger. I forgot, we're ignoring it. Anyway, so I did put some stars in there because I felt like it was big enough to have stars move around. But I don't know if they really move. They just kind of stand in place while the smaller glitter moves around. So that didn't work out. This was just a fail. But I still think they're not as bad as I feel like they could possibly be, you know? They still move a little bit. They're still kind of aquarium nails. But anyway, I sealed the other gap just like I did with the thumb. And then I did the same thing I did with the thumb. And I'm also going to show you my ring finger, but after that, that's it. Because I pretty much messed up the pinky as well. So we're going to move on. make sure when you're closing either of the gaps in the aquarium nail, if you're using this method, because there is different methods for aquarium nails. There's aquarium nail tips and everything, but I'm not going to do all that. I'm just going to try the old-fashioned way. But make sure you're using dry beads so that the beads don't like run, especially not into the where the oil is, because it would just be a disaster. For filing these, I was trying to be very, very careful because obviously I didn't want any leaks, and I didn't have any leaks. Thank goodness. I was kind of expecting leaks for this to be my first time, but using acrylic I feel like is a lot safer than using gel, so I recommend using acrylic. But you can use gel too, it works just fine. But anyway, I file it just like I do a regular nail, but like less, like way less. And that means I just go under the free edge and on top of the free edge, and then use my hand file and go around the whole nail. And then I wipe it with acetone so I could see like if they were gonna move or not after I filed them, with all of those vibrations going on. But there was pretty much like just the middle and the ring finger was still pretty much the only ones just moving, so just only a little disappointing, just a little bit. But I'm happy that I got some movement. Like, imagine if none of the nails ended up moving at all. Now that would have been, I would not have uploaded this video whatsoever. But anyway, I'm top coating them, and then I'm going to show the reveal on the very, it's not very little, like it's some movement. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I will be trying these again. I'll watch a tutorial first. Let me know what y'all think of these nails. Be honest. I know they're kind of trash, I know, but be honest. And I hope to see y'all next time. Check out my Instagram and TikTok, link below. Everything that I used in this video is linked below. And thank y'all for watching. Bye.